Hi there, I'm Peter Sidwell from Simply Good Food TV. I am in my garden. I'm out and about in the Lake District. The sun is out, it's beautiful, and I wanted to show you just a very simple recipe on cooking amazing food outdoors. Now I'm working with this Primus stove. It is my absolute favourite piece of kit this summer. It is so cool, it's powerful. Primus have created this amazing hob. It's kind of portable, it's got this strap, loving it. Okay, so we're gonna make a really quick tortilla with Indua paste, okay? So this is a spicy Italian sausage from Calabria. And what I wanted to do was show you how you can cook amazing food outdoors. You don't need to make compromises, you can have awesome food anywhere. So, first things first, we'll make a little tortilla, okay? We're gonna make a little egg frittata, okay? So, I have got some beautiful Lake's eggs here. I'm gonna go 2 egg omelette, okay? So one of those in there, one in there. Okay, I've got this lovely pink Himalayan sea salt, a little bit in there, and then some black pepper, and then we will just very quickly whisk these up. So this is great stuff that you can put in your rucksack and you can take out. Easy. Okay, put that to one side. Now, to get some good flavour, I've got some garlic chives in my garden. So, good savoury hit of flavour. The reason why I'm using chives is it'll cook much quicker than if I was to put onions in. But I'm going to get that same oniony kind of savoury flavour. So, chop your chives up nice and fine. There we go. They can go straight in. Lovely. Right, smooth those eggs. Give that a quick whisk. Okay, so I've got my hob on. You can see we've got some great heat there. Let me just pop that down there so you can see what's going on. Straight in with the eggs. Just let it find its natural way. And then pop it on. I'm going to turn it down just a touch. Because it might be little. It's got a good power there. You can really cook on this hob. Now, I've got my tortilla wraps here. Beautiful. Right, Indua paste. It's basically a salami, a soft salami from Italy in Calabria, okay? So they make the salamis, they hang them up, they dry them, but not for too long. And then they mix it with some olive oil and put it in a jar. So what we're going to do is going to spread it on the inside of this wrap, okay? Put as much or as little as you like. Now, if you can't get Indua paste, and you're seeing it more and more, what I would say was, get some chorizo sausage, blend it up in a food processor with a little bit of oil, and then pop it in a jar. You can take it up the hills and you've got it. It's just a massive hit of flavour. It's brilliant. Okay, let's have a little look. So let's just work this round. So it is almost cooked, okay? Now, look, can you see it's still just that tiny little bit runny? That's okay. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take our tortilla and put a lid on it, okay? Pop it back on the heat. Now, what's gonna happen is the residual heat is gonna keep cooking inside. We've kind of trapped the heat now with the tortilla wrap. And the Indua paste is mixing with the raw egg now, and it's just getting warmer and warmer in there, and it's now all gonna cook beautifully. It needs like a minute and that's it. Really easy to do, amazing flavour, absolutely delicious, and you can kind of make it the way you want it. Now if you wanted a vegetarian version, you could use a sun-dried tomato pesto, something like that. Any of these sort of big hits of flavour that go in jars can go in your bag, which means you can get out, take your hob and get out on the fells. Right, so, moment of truth time, okay? I'm just gonna flip this over. There we go. Now, this is cooked. Let's turn that off. Let's give it a little shake. Okay, I am just gonna run my palette knife around so I know it's gonna come out, and then boom, there we go. It's that easy. Pop that to one side, and now it's just cooking lovely. Now, I'm gonna get another wrap, pop that on top there, and now we've sandwiched it together. We've almost got ourselves a quesadilla. Okay, and then we're just gonna flip it over. So we've got a bit of warmth there. Lovely and warm, toasty, delicious. So we just cut through there. You just cut it like a cake now. And there we go. That is how to make a beautiful gourmet quesadilla out in the open using my Onja Primus stove, and I've got some lovely, beautiful Lake's eggs. I've got some Jua paste and some tortilla wraps.